Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a full beginner's guide on how to use OBS Studio for screen recording. So if you've ever wondered how people record tutorials, gameplay, or presentations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install OBS Studio. First, head over to obsproject.com and download OBS Studio. It's completely free. Choose your OS, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and follow the installation instructions. Install the software once it's done downloading. Step 2. Initial setup and auto configuration wizard. Once you launch OBS for the first time, it may ask if you want to run the auto configuration wizard. Say yes. This will optimize settings based on your system specs. You can always tweak the settings later. Step 3. Interface breakdown. Let's walk through the OBS interface. Scenes, like folders where you organize your sources. Sources, what you're capturing your screen, webcam, mic, etc. Audio mixer, adjust volume for mic, desktop audio. Controls, start-stop recording, stream, settings, etc. Step 4. Add display capture source. Click the plus under Sources, select Display Capture, name it, choose your monitor, and click OK. Now your screen is visible in the OBS preview. Step 5. Add microphone and webcam. Optional. To add audio, click Settings, Audio, Mic Auxiliary Audio, then select your mic. To add webcam, click plus under Sources, select Video Capture Device, and pick your webcam. Step 6. Set recording settings. Go to Settings, Output, Recording. Choose Format, MP4 is recommended. Choose your recording path where your videos will save. Set bitrate 2500 to 4000 kbps for decent quality. Step 7. Start recording. Click Start Recording. Do your screen activity or tutorial. Click Stop Recording when done. Check your saved file in the selected folder. Step 8. Bonus tips. Use Studio Mode to preview changes before going live. Use hotkeys, settings, hotkeys to quickly start-stop recording. Add overlays or text to brand your videos. And that's it. You now know how to use OBS Studio for screen recording. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one.